gave my big announcements. There is no baby that I'm expecting. There's nothing on ultrasound. So I had to tell the doctor, this is not something that can be explained away by science. It's a spiritual thing, this baby. But there is no baby in there. I'm just blowing up like a balloon, I guess. Pun intended and intended and intended and intended and intended. Just kidding. So it's February 6, 1977 was my birthday. I just turned 47. It is now Tuesday. There is no physical body involved in this birth, it would seem. It's a spiritual thing.